Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can kind of restore some of this wood and make it protected a little bit more using Old English. So here I have some Old English. This is just the regular stuff. This is for conditioning and protecting, and it's got some nice lemon oil scent in it. So we've got a rag right here, and I'm going to put some Old English right on the top. Just kind of soak that rag right there. And then you can see we're going to put it, and I'll do like that Swiffer commercial right there. Look at the difference in the wood. So here, without this dull stuff, there it's with. So let's put some right here. Look at that. It's just beautiful. It really makes the wood shine and glisten and makes it almost like brand new. It just puts a nice coat on there and really makes the wood grain show, and it also really helps protect the wood so that it doesn't wear out as quickly, doesn't fade, and it looks really nice. It's just a good protective coating. So you can get this in the description below. This is the regular Old English. You can also see my other videos. I've got some on the Old English that repairs scratches, so it's for damage control. That is, I have it on for light wood and dark wood services, so you can check that out in the cards and in the end screens here, and also you can get all the products in the description below.